morning, students. How are you all? Hope everybody is doing good, right? As we are continuing this series which we are translating from Telugu to English. Okay, let's learn this today. నువ్వు నాతో వస్తున్నావా? Are you coming with me? Okay? లేదు, నేను రావటం లేదు. No, I'm not coming with you. ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది? What's going on here? ఒక విషయం గురించి చర్చిస్తున్నాము. We are discussing regarding a topic. నువ్వు రేపు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళవా? Aren't you going there tomorrow? Okay, for this last one, I want everybody to comment down this answer in the comment box. Okay, so don't forget to watch the full videos. Please do subscribe to Magneq software. Thank you all.